Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here at MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on a brand new 2020 270 SDX Outboard. As you can see, this boat has the nice new stone interior they did for 2020. I'm actually sitting on top of the backrest for the sun pad back here, as well as the cockpit seating. You can see we got a white 300 Mercury on the back Verado, power steering, nice setup. Now on the transom walkthrough, we do have a fusion remote for the stereo, your freshwater washdown, and a nice cooler under here as well. So you're gonna have to get all the way up in the boat to grab your cocktails when you're out at the sandbar. Now as we come in the cockpit, you can see it's got a lot of space back here. You can pile a bunch of people on this boat, a bunch of kids, and have a great time out in the water. Nice wraparound seating. You have storage pretty much under all these seats here. This one actually provides a nice spot for a little removable cooler. So if you're anchored up on an island or something, you can take your drinks and food with you. Now as we come up here to the helm, we have a nice reversible seat. So you're sitting forward right now for when you're piloting the boat, but now you can sit facing back to join the conversation. And you also have fire ice bolsters, and this seat also does move forward and back. We got a nice Simrad unit up here on the dash. Nice wrap dash too as well in acrylic. And we have a Fusion Apollo system here too, and this is a premier upgrade on this boat that will have some pod speakers up top on this nice arch once they are installed. Now on the port side, you have the same kind of seat setup, and then you have the nice head, which we just got this boat in. You got a nice little sink in there too. Nice glove compartment, little lockable thing to keep your wallets in. Let's say you go to a restaurant with a family, you can lock some things up on there while you're inside eating. Now here in the bow, we have ample storage underneath. There's also another one in the cockpit too. Now you got storage under both these seats. This is a good spot to put anything wet, as it drains overboard, so you can use it as a cooler for any of your wet gear as well. You have some stainless grab rails for safety. You have a nice windlass anchor system we have on this boat. We brought this in with. Nice setup there. And a freshwater shower in the front. And as you can see, this bow is huge. I'm 6'1", and I can lounge all the way back. You can put a couple people up here, and you do have a spot for your removable table there as well. Now before I move back into the cockpit, I'll point out you can close this wind door and this windshield, so it'll keep you a little more warmer on those windier, cooler days, or the more early summer, late summer days. So again guys, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. And if you want to see this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.